All right, so here we have Dr. Rupa with us. She just completing the MCI course with us, that is Master's Course in Injectable. Let's hear from her. How's her experience so far? How she get to know about our training, and then what is the overall experience of her? Right, Dr.
Yes, sir.
Rupa?
Yes, sir. So about the course, I came to know through Instagram. So after coming here, I have learned more new things. It has made me a new clinician now. The most two important things which I can tell about this is like the Manish sir has taught us from the basics, and I would say like I'm more perfect with my basics in injectables. And another thing, he has made us to be more ethical. Like whatever we practice,
Correct.
he has taught us to be more ethical in our
Right.
practice. So those things are like the most important things which I'm taking from here.
Fantastic.
And
And how's your whole experience towards your patient, the kind of mechanics you learn behind the topics? Like you came specifically for toxin filler and thread, right? I was little think that okay, you were not with the basic items and so on. That's a different story altogether. But when you come for specific items, would you feel satisfied? Okay, whatever topics I came for, toxin filler and thread, I'm satisfied with that topics.
yes, sir. Like I have come for the botox and fillers, threads. All the three things which are all the things that were covered in the hands-on sessions. Like I have done all the things like toxins, many like in 4-5 patients I have done toxins, I have done fillers, and even the threads were given to me. So I have a good experience even practically here.
One compliment which I can give to you, the exam which you have written. Sorry, the first way when he take a look on your exam, the way you have written, the way you have wrote the exam is completely, kind of a give us satisfaction to the mentor also.
Yes, sir.
You also being understanding that okay, we are little tight on our exams and everything, making sure that you understood well when you wrote that exam and when you go through that answer sheet of yours. I feel a little satisfaction on the mentor's face also.
Yes,
So
sir.
that basically gave a very healthy relationship between a faculty and the student, that okay, what exactly he's teaching you, what exactly you are returning him as an answer sheet. It gave us some sort of mutual respect to each other and mutual win-win situation for academy as well as the doctor also. I am pretty sure you being satisfied overall in that training,
Yes, sir.
right?
Yes, sir.
All
I
right.
could write all the things only because he has taught us so clearly, and the
Right.
materials which were given, they were like very good.
Fantastic. I hope this is what we are starting a journey from here. And I'm pretty sure that, which we have discussed earlier, if you have any such kind of a doubt around there, and I've been already talking to you that I'll be
And
connecting
thank you
you.
for being so cooperative with me,
Always
being
welcome,
so
dear.
supportive.
I
From
always,
the
always
beginning,
cherish
this
on
is
that
support.
note that we are there as an academy, 100% there with you. It's not about now, 2 days, 3 days, 5 days. It is about live relationship between the academy and the student. We are there as a bridge between you. And at the same time, I already mentioned to you that 13th we are starting our course in Mumbai. You are going to connect me for a couple of hours in the morning hour for skin anatomy lecture. I wanted you to be line connected on Zoom itself. I personally will invite you to get on Zoom class so that if any gap around the line and marking a landmark, we should cover up from there.
Yes, sir.
Right? Even after that, at any point of a time, you feel that I keep on traveling, doing different trainings. You got that okay in the toxin part. I have some sort of lag around there. You connect me online. I can show you Zoom class. We can connect on Zoom and then we can clear our doubts with Dr. Manish on live throughout.
Yes, sir.
It's not about now and later. It's about any time. Whenever you need it, we are just there with you.
Yes, sir. Thank you
Just
so much,
I'm a
sir.
WhatsApp text away or a call away. Just text me anytime, right?
Thank you so
Thank you,
much.
everyone.
Thanks a lot,
Have a
sir. Thank you
thank
so
you.
much, sir.
Stay connected, okay? God
Sure,
bless.
sir. Thank you.
So this is Dr. Rupa with us, completing our MCI course with us today, and she's been satisfied. That is our satisfaction that we are on the right track for educating you all. Thank you.